I'm Keem Shutter, owner of Chi Integrated Health, a multidisciplinary clinic located in Kitsilano in Vancouver. I've been an acupuncturist for 10 years, and how I got into being an acupuncturist was actually through a personal injury. In 1999, I fractured my hip snowboarding. Fortunately, I was boarding with a family who said, you have to go and you have to do this acupuncture. 3 treatments later, and a lot of work and some time in hospital, I was back out and doing very well. And this is what led me to explore this. We offer both passive and active therapies, and this really helps our patients get out of pain and into health. What I mean by passive and active there's therapies where as a patient you come in, you get a treatment done on you, and then you leave and you experience those effects. And then you have active therapies where you're doing an activity, you're learning something new about how your body moves. And that's something that we do very well here because we have both treatment space and work movement space. When you come into this space, you see right away a welcoming reception, a beautiful wooden wall that actually comes from my hometown. And then you'll see these glass doors that go into our lab. And the lab is really about mind, movement, and community. And what this means is it's a space for yoga classes, for Pilates classes. It's also for workshops to happen. And it's also a space where the community can come in. We host different events. Also on the main floor, we have 3 treatment rooms for chiropractic, cold laser, and physiotherapy. These therapies have access directly to that lab space. So if they're treating a patient and they want to take them and show them, do a gait analysis or show them a stretch in a nice space, it's right across the hall. As we go up the stairs, you'll see we have a bit of a jungle or a little garden space, and all the plants that are in that space are on the NASA top 10 list of plants for purifying air. We push through those doors, past the 3 washrooms that are in sight, and you're all of a sudden into the treatment floor, which we call the real-time integration space. At this space, there's seating for our practitioners to come out, keep their files, plug in their laptop, do their work, and talk with other therapists about their patients. And as you relax from a massage or after a yoga class in Shavasana, your blood pressure goes down. It makes it very easy for you to get cold hands or cold feet. You don't have to rush out into the hectic real world. We actually have a space, a post-treatment lounge, where you can go and you can spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour. It's heated to 26 degrees, and this really helps for the treatment to set in. One of the other unique services that we offer here at Chi is we actually go out to people's businesses and offer our services there. So we have some businesses that on a Friday will have a massage therapist come in, and people sign up and people get to have that benefit. It's fantastic for the team and the space that we're going into, but it's really good for us in terms of reaching out. One of the things that I think people really notice and people really appreciate when they come to Chi is you're asked, how is your day? You're offered a cup of tea. You're not just offered it, but we'll actually bring it to you. We're very much about creating an experience and welcoming you into our space. And I think that is something that I take a lot of pride in, and our whole team takes a lot of pride in. One of the important things when you're choosing an integrated health team is obviously the people that are part of that team. I've always had the same philosophy of growth, and that is, let's grow from within. Let's talk to our team. Let's find out who is in their class, who is really good, who do they like to work with, who are they already communicating with, and who do they think are the best in the field. We actually source people out, have conversations with them, and tell them about what we're doing and what we offer and how it's unique for the practitioner. The times when I arrive and there's people in the waiting room and I can see the front desk and our client experience working really well, smiles on people's faces, I feel very proud and very lucky in that moment.